Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another two trades, 2 pound trades. Today's date is September the 17th and there was some high impact news. Now I was not in front of the computer. I got in front of the computer just slightly after the news. I missed it, but I can show you the news here for this pound pairs. Here it is here. At Forex Factory. Today's date is Thursday, September the 17th at 7 a.m. It is official bank rates here and here. As you can see, it's completely flat, not positive or negatives at 10% on the official bank rate right here. But I just happen to know that the pound will move anytime you see bank rates. And I am using my brand new BB trigger system. BB stands for Bollinger Bands. You don't have to wait until moving averages cross over. Concept is quite simple. We're selling as high as possible near the upper band and buying as close or near the lower band. Now, other traders will say you must wait until you get above the goal line here and then you start buying. But I teach a very unique way for you to learn how to trade using my 3 indicators down here at the bottom. Today's trading was just right around an hour and 10 minutes or so. I got in at 7:23 and 7:31. Now I just wanted to point out in advance, my trigger system will tell you or point you in the direction that you should be going before the news. And as you can see, we got the trigger way back here. When everything turns red, especially by here, so 15 minutes before the news, can easily get in the trade before this candle here closes. Just get in. It went against you 11 pips and it dropped for 123 pips. I definitely would have taken the trade, but I slept in and things happen. You know, if you miss it, you miss it. But I still traded it because I took a look at the meter. You can see it's still pound is at the bottom and the yen is at the top. So I took the trade, as I said, 723. At 723, let's see the pound yen, which is right here. Let's just drag and drop it up. Here we go. I hesitated just for a half a minute. Looked at the meter. The pound was really, really low. I thought to myself, it's going to hit at least the ADR or more. And as you can see, it went past it, and then I closed out the trade. Let's see how many pips I ended up with. Looks like 26 pips. And 26 pips on the pound yen paid $2,495. Now, I don't normally recommend trading this far away from the goal line because it can easily go back, 50 pips. But the meter was telling me that there was a really good chance it's going to go down some more, which is exactly what I was calculating, that I would get at least, 15 pips or more. This is all within the training videos. This is all part of what you have to learn, how to trade the flow of the market. Sometimes it'll go back up, but the meter helps a lot. I will not trade without the meter, and neither should you. It will save you hundreds of times, either making a bad decision, and like today, it actually helped me to make pips. Now, as you can see, the pound is still at the bottom. It's at 20, and the yen is at the top. And the other one I did, pound New Zealand here, it's also second one from the top. It was higher up. Both of these were higher up when I pulled the trigger, and the pound was less than 10. So anyhow, let's take a look at this pound New Zealand right here. We'll just drag and drop this up. See what's happening. Again, I waited while I was trying to make a decision, and the meter was screaming that is going to take another cycle. That's the way the market flows. Gives a push, rest, another push, but it's not going to keep giving pushes. As you can see, it's dying out now. The news is completely over, and it's mostly just going sideways. I teach that plus 100 more different tips and tricks within the training videos. So I took the trade right here at this cursor, and I closed it out here at this point, which is 35 pips, and 35 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $2,300. So this was a pretty good day of trading for around an hour. I ended up with 61 pips total, and those 61 pips paid $4,795. I'm officially done for the day, although there will be many more trade setups, including going through to the London close, which happens, it would be way over here, even past this edge of the charts here. Both of these trades were a great way to trade. That's using the goal line and the AO here. Love trading with the BB trigger. And of course, if you have any questions or if you're interested, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. My BB trigger system, I do charge $250, and it has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 2 MT4 templates, 8 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents. It's not directly related to any of my trigger systems, but there is a lot of training and education which will surely help your to learn how to trade the markets. Now also included, I give a lot of training videos. There's 40 of them, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My #1 way of trading is a great way to trade. It's the easiest and quickest way to trade. You can pick this up within a week. Now what makes my BB trigger just a tiny bit better than all my other trigger systems is within these 5 subjects that I teach. In all the videos, I give a lot of advanced trading tips. I also teach how to get near perfect timing entries. I also teach how to stay in the trade for more pips. I teach how to trade at the right hand edge, which is where all traders struggle. And I also teach how to trade higher time frames. And I showed dozens and dozens of great trade setups. I also teach how to backtest the BB trigger, how to scan the market, how to scalp the market. I also teach how to trade all 3 sessions, teach how to trade pullbacks. Remember, if it goes from, like say here, back to the goal line, that's a pullback. And of course, if it happened to break through like it did over here, this is a pullback, and if it breaks through, I call that a reversal. And of course, in this situation, this is movement from the London and just a pullback. The goal line is, it does get hit every day, many times. You can think of it like a super powerful magnet. And if it bounces off of it and keeps going down, then it's going actually with the trend. So that's which I teach also, the reversals. And also I teach how to trade around the goal line. There's always a lot of trading opportunities around the goal line. Also teach how to trade the news. and I also teach how to trade with a day job. In other words, traders in North America or even South America, you don't have to get up at 2 in the morning. You know, you can sleep, you know, either 2 hours before you go to work, or when you come home, you can trade after, like dinner around 7 o'clock, trade for a few hours, the Asian session. Now, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, after you click on this link right here, I made it simple and easy. After you click on this and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session which will probably last about 45 minutes. Now over about 10 years, for many years actually, as I was building systems, and I did build 27 trigger systems, and if you want to see some screenshots, all you got to do is click on this link and you'll see that. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.